page. Actually, I will be teaching you how to create a functional Facebook page. A functional Facebook page. So this is my Facebook. I'm using Facebook Lite. So you can go to your Play Store and download that. So we won't have time for that. So we are going to be creating a functional Facebook page, and we are going to connect your WhatsApp number to the page. You get it? So that anybody that, when you post anything, they can easily reach out to you through WhatsApp. So let's go. So the first thing is that you come to this icon here. Yeah, you get it. You press it and look for page. So this is my here page. I have some kind of page here. So I'm going to create another one. Come to create here. Create. Click get started. You don't need a VPN to create page. You get it? So you can use normal. So first thing, what do you want to name your page? So for this tutorial, we just say for arts. For arts alone. Abi, let me see. Mayor Arts. Mayor Agency rather. Okay, let me use Mayor Agency so that I can use the page after today. Mayor Agency. Mayor Agency. So that's the first thing. You have named your page. So you come to this place next. Make sure you give your page something that is relevant. If your page is all about entertainment, make it very resonate around that. If your page is all about digital marketing, so mine is all about hard Facebook hard and everything. So I run Facebook hard, so that's why I'm naming that page that way, that name. You get it? So let's go. Yeah, you come for category. Come for category. So mine is about product and services. I offer services. So if your one is about digital or personal blog or music or health, so you click any. So mine going for digital creator. Yeah. So I'm going to add another category and have product service. So you can add three categories. So you press next. So if you are getting knowledge from this video, make sure you subscribe. My name will remain Mayor Digital. On this page, we talk about growth, talk about Facebook growth, talk about business growth, talk about how you can make money online. So you get it. So yeah, we have a website for Mayor Agency. So in case you ask this, the next thing you're going to do is that minimize, go to Google. Oh yeah. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. So you after you are here, just scroll up. So you come to this create free one link, this one here. Create free one link, then bring you to this list. So I'm going to add my number. 8137. So we now come here. This is a custom message. Anybody that click that link, they will come to your WhatsApp directly. So there is something they are going to. There is a custom message that they are going to send you. That's what you are going to set up here. For example, now mine will be hello, Mayor. I'm interested in running Facebook ads. So it's as simple. Just in case you two are interested in running Facebook ad, this is my number. I run Facebook ad for businesses. So you can send me a message on WhatsApp through this number too. So next thing is you come here, press generate one link. Right, come here, it's going to generate the link. So anybody that clicks this link will come to your DM directly. So you can do this actually. So you put it here, then you press next. So here we are going to put your profile picture and a banner. You get it? If you want to learn how to design a small banner for your Facebook page that will make it look professional, just comment that in the comment section. I'm going to do a video specially for that. So the next thing you are going to do is down. Can you see that? So we are done. We are done. So our page is fully ready. This is our page. The page is fully ready. Yeah, you get it. You click that place to see everything. So first thing, you need to come to this place, edit public details. So you need to put your profile, then you are going to put a bio. So here, if I'm going to do it, I'll be like, okay, if I'm going to put my bio, I am a Facebook and Instagram ad expert. I help businesses. Help businesses run profitable ads. So I can just do that. Helped over 100 plus business owners achieve business owners achieve anything. Let's go profitable. Achieve financial goal. I have helped. I have here. I have helped. Just put something that is all about your business. You get it. I have helped over 100 plus business owners achieve financial goal. So simple as that. So you just press save. This one is just rough thing. I cannot put it there. So that's all here. And you just save. After you're done, you save. Next thing is that you need to connect your page to your WhatsApp. So you click this place here. Click it. Then you come to this add action button. Then you come to send WhatsApp message. This one. You press next. Then you put that WhatsApp message here. 813767344637. So then you press send code. Immediately you press send code, you are going to send a code to your WhatsApp. Let me check it out. But I'm using this WhatsApp currently, but let's go. So they are going to send a code to this WhatsApp now. If you have not subscribed to my page, to my YouTube rather, please do subscribe. So can you see this? This is the code. You have sent the code to us. What do you need to do? You copy the code. This is just what you need. Copy the code. And what next? Wow, that's an existing page. So you can just start again. So you come to add action button. Sometimes it's very advisable you use WhatsApp business. Please use WhatsApp business. Sometimes that might be doing shaky. So that was just all. That's, you are done. Can you see your account is connected? So we have it. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and share to people that will be interested. See you in my other video.